This is just a quick video to show you what to do if you accidentally delete a piece of work. So you go to Add or Create and you are going to upload a piece of work. So we'll do that first of all. So let's just pretend that we're uploading a piece of work I'm going to browse. Okay, so now I'm going to find the piece of work that I want to upload. So I'm going to do one of these Georgia O'Keeffe pictures. So I'm just going to upload it. Okay, so here's my piece of work. Now I want to turn that in, but if I accidentally delete it, which is quite easy to do, then what I can do is I can just find that in my Google Drive. So if I go into my Google Drive, here it is in recent. So that's the picture I've just selected. So all I would do then, let me come back into, would be I could go to Add or Create, Google Drive. And I will quickly find it in recents. Just let that picture load. There we go, it's there. So all I would do in that case is to insert it back in. And then I turn my piece of work in.